This is an unboxing or an opening or an open boxing of an open box purchase from Best Buy on the Hero 11 Black Mini. So I've been thinking for a while to actually purchase this item for the simple fact, I don't know if I purchased this for about $263. It's on special for, I think, $299 right now, brand new. Open box, it was another $35 off. So that's why I purchased it. It's supposed to be in excellent condition. This is the back. The box is kind of beat up, as you can see. Back seems okay, but things sound loose. Let's it's supposed to be in excellent condition. I guess that was for the lens cover. This was the lens cover. Yeah. I'm assuming, I'm not sure. So this is the GoPro Hero 11 Mini. This does not have, I believe, no removable battery. And micro SD card and the charging up of, and I think the PC link is also there, so you connect it through the PC through that. These are the mounting on the bottom, built in. You can take those out, so you can see. In the back as well. You know, I don't know which way I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do it down or up, I'm not sure. Looks good. Now, let's charge it up and turn it on to see if it's actually working before I give it a yay or nay. I don't know what that is. I've never had a new one, so I have no idea. This is usually the way I use this actual case. And I usually throw away this cardboard thing. But that's just me, not you. So this is everything that came in the box, including the case. And everything looks good. We'll just have to... Now, I've never opened a GoPro Hero 11 Mini, so I don't know what this is supposed to be for. So you can tell me in the comments below. So let's try it out. USB-C cable is about 3 feet long. And we'll try it out and see yay or nay on the Best Buy open box purchase.